In this tutorial we're going to be looking at merging vertices in Blender. So let's grab our cube, let's go into edit mode and let's grab two vertices. Now when we press M we can see four options here. So we have at center, which will merge two vertices at the center. We have at cursor, which will merge all the vertices to the cursor. Then we have collapse. Now what this will do is it will merge on their own median center, leaving one vertex per island. And then lastly we have by distance. So as you can see here, the merge distance is set to 10 meters, but if we take this down and we go all the way down to 0.5, it will unmerge. So you can set this value to whatever you would like, which is really handy for larger models. And that is it, guys. That is merging vertices in Blender. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.